Welcome back to my kitchen, guys. Today I'll be making me some spicy sweet chili chicken wings in my kitchen the Jamaican way. So guys, if you want to learn this nice delicious recipe, please do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button for more cooking videos, and try it at home and tell me how you like it. This is a must try recipe. So guys, let's get this delicious recipe started. I've got all my ingredients here, guys. Over here, I've got me 2 eggs right here. I've got me 1.5 cups of flour. That's all-purpose flour. Over here, I've got my chicken wings, and I've already cleaned my chicken wings with vinegar and the natural lemon. Over here, I've got me some milk. You could use whatever milk you have. I'm just gonna use the reduced fat because that's what I have. I've got my chili garlic sauce. I got a little bit of garlic powder, some black pepper, some onion powder, some ginger, garlic, pimento, some paprika powdered seasoning, and I've got my all-purpose seasoning. So if you want to learn this recipe, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get this process started. So at this point now, guys, I'm going to combine all of my dried ingredients together in this little bowl right here. It's a little easier and it's better. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna combine everything together. The smell is everything, all that seasoning combined together. It's really a nice combination. Look at that, guys. All right, voila. So now we're going to season our chicken. We're just gonna toss everything on our chicken. Left a little bit. Alrighty, going with my chili garlic sauce. Just gonna add me a little tablespoon. Just give it a little stir. Oh, I love the smell of this. Just gonna add 1 tablespoon first and another tablespoon. So now we're just gonna rub everything in together. Right, needs a little bit more seasoning, so I'm just gonna add the rest. And voila, take a look at my chicken, guys. And I'm just gonna leave this for an hour time. I want to let everything come to a little marinating point. I cannot wait to dig in. The smell is everything. So guys, we're gonna leave this for an hour time. So see you guys back in 1 hour time. We are back, guys. We're gonna check on our chicken. Look at that, guys. Look at that. My chicken sweating, looking really nice. Ooh la la, look at that, guys. All right, so now we are going to add all of our other ingredients here. What I'm gonna do now, I'm going to beat my eggs. Just gonna beat my eggs until it comes in a uniform yellow texture. All right, look at that, guys. Just gonna add me a little of the milk here. Just a little bit. Alrighty, look at that. Now I'm gonna put this aside. So now, guys, I'm going to season my flour right here. All right, just gonna add a little bit of my all-purpose seasoning. Add in my paprika. Adding my ginger, garlic, and pimento. And a little black pepper. Just a little shake. Alright. Now we're going to combine everything together. This is how the seasoned flour should look. Look at that. Everything combined together. At this point now, guys, we are going to add our egg mixture to our chicken, and then we're going to mix everything together, and then we're going to add it to our flour. So we're going to go ahead and add all of this to the chicken. Now guys, we're gonna coat our chicken. It's in the egg mixture. So now we're gonna coat it into our flour, and then we're gonna add it here. All right. Make sure you get all of that off before you add it to the flour. Voila! Look at my chicken, guys, all coated and ready for me to fry. Look at that. Can't get any better than this. So now we're going to fry our babies. Chicken wings doesn't take long to be fried, so I'm just gonna leave this for 20 minutes time, and then we're gonna come back and check on it to adjust where necessary. Whenever I'm frying my chicken, I always use Scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm just using a knife to pierce it, getting all that niceness from it. So in between the 20 minutes time, you want to come back and you want to turn them over on the other side. As you can see, they are becoming golden brown and looking really, really, really nice. Okay guys, make sure you keep an open eye because you don't want these babies to get burned. Look at that, crunchy and nice. All right guys, we are all finished. We are all finished, guys. Take a look at my chicken. Look at that. OMG. Look at that. Voila. So we're just gonna drain off the oil. Take a look at that baby, looking nice, right? So now I'm just gonna add it to my tray right here. Let's remove the pepper. We don't need it anymore, so we're gonna remove it. All right. Can't get enough of my spicy, sweet chili chicken wings. So to make my chili sauce, I'm going to use me some tomato ketchup, some hot pepper sauce, some chili garlic sauce, and some honey. So guys, let's move on to the other process. As to my pot, I'm going to go in with my honey. Going in with my garlic sauce. Just add some like that. Going in my ketchup. Last in my hot sauce. Jesus, this smells really good. When I ask Christ, this I go taste good. Just gonna let everything combine together, guys, on medium heat. Trying to get it into a thick paste. Let's give this a taste test. Perfect. Ooh la la. The honey helps to give it that nice sweet taste. Now I'm gonna go in with my chicken wings. There you have it, guys. Take a look at that, guys. My spicy sweet chili chicken in my kitchen, the Jamaican way. Guys, so I'm just gonna put, okay, that's how I do it. Voila. Up next, I'm going to add my spicy sweet chili chicken wings. Can't get any better than this, guys. There you have it, guys, my spicy sweet chili chicken wings in my kitchen, the Jamaican way. So guys, if you enjoy this video, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button, turn your notification button on so you don't miss out any video that I post. And also guys, please do not forget to comment below and tell me what you want to see me cook again in my kitchen. And also guys, please do not forget to comment, tell me what you love about this delicious recipe, guys. Even my neighbor come knock on my door, guys, the way all the chicken smell nice. So guys, please do not forget to share with your friends, your family, your co-workers, each and every one, because this recipe is a must-try recipe, and me nah lie, that recipe a bad. So till I hope you guys have a blessed week, and don't forget guys, to drink your water because it's hot outside, and stay hydrated. See you guys soon. Bye guys. Hey, man, nah lie, that chicken is bad. Jesus, think it a bad. It's like I'm bad, you know? Lord Jesus. Who beg now get, who beg now want?